There's no doubt at the moment that the M50 tolls are a tax on work, they're a tax on commuters, and they're a tax on people who are paying through the nose for everything. And these individuals have also been hit with extra fuel costs this month and extra taxes elsewhere. And this is in the jaws of a cost of living crisis. It's really unfair to charge these commuters any further. And they've already paid about 2.2 billion euros worth in tolls since 2008. These bridges are well paid for at the moment. And these individuals are stuck in traffic for much of the day. The M50 is a car park for hours every single day. The solution to that is to build public transport. I'm the chair of the Meath on Track campaign. We've been pushing for the Meath, Navan to Dublin Railway to be built over the last 20 years. The government are still dragging their feet there. And the major problem with the congestion that's happening in the country at the moment is this government can't do infrastructure. We have the slowest planning, the slowest licensing and permitting, the slowest tendering, the slowest judicial reviews in the whole of the European Union. And as a result, the delivery of infrastructure is grinding to a halt. The reality is that the government is last year squirreled away about 10 billion euros in budget surpluses. It expects about 7 billion euros in budget surpluses this year. This is not a government that's stuck for money. And this is a government that actually is using tolls, increased costs in petrol and diesel, etc., to try and get people out of cars to reduce emissions. And that's a fine objective. But the problem is there's no alternative for drivers. Drivers do not have a public transport alternative to which they can change to. So the government is using the stick to get people out of cars, but they're not providing the carrot of capacity in public transport to allow people to get to work on time.